Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2010 Wrangler. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights, braking assist, running boards. Inside you'll find child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, compass. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.